Yo, I know you've been waiting for this. Let's get it. Yeah. Can you see very well? Yeah. It's heavy. So I don't even know the weights. I think it's right today. It's very, very, very heavy. I can't find it. Oh, it should be inside. So let's get started. Okay. Yeah. I'm being careful. Very, very, very sharp now. I'm getting my cutter knife. I'm fixing knife very soon. Yeah. So the first thing we found there is a warranty card. So a warranty card is there. So and the instructions are also there: charge and discharge, attention, prohibition, and the battery performance characteristics curve. So the battery look like is an AGM or gel battery. So I expect it to be an AGM battery actually. So it's a deep cycle battery, zero maintenance, just cleaning. That's all. So and if you work with it, you can use it for more than 3 years, but advisable I think 2.5 years. Yeah. So that's that about that. Let's see other stuff. Oh. So the vapors with the scrolling. I think the screw's supposed to be here before, but they've done the scrolling already. So that means they've tested it well before dropping it. So I need to hang this back so that I can lift it out when you see it. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, we have a good one. Yeah, my baby is here. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, the sun fits. There's everything. Yeah, that's the battery. So let's test the volts. Put it on 20 volts. I think it should rise. 20 volts is a 12 volts system. So we should see a nominal of 12 plus or 13. So the negative is the negative and the positive. Yeah. We have 12.71, sorry. 12.71. So I wish I can show you. But let's try that. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry I can't show you. Okay. So you have 12.71. Let me see. Let me just put it together. Yep. So that's that about that, and there's nothing more inside the carton. So only the battery, and that's it. Yeah, completed. Thank you. So it's time to connect, and I'll see you on the next one.